Everyone. So I'll just let you know how to use this YouTube channel. So the first thing you have to do is you have to type DevTech Core and you'll be routed to this page and यहाँ पे जाके view channel click करना है. And once you have done that, then you have to click on the playlist. And here the first playlist gives out the course navigation and orientation, and other playlist organize the complete course into chapters. So पहला हम देखेंगे course navigation. So यहाँ पे when you see there are 3 videos, the bottom most है वो gives you the how this course is structured and will be released over a period of 12 weeks. And the next course navigation gives you what are the different kind of content in the course and how to use it. And the topmost video, Master YouTube AI, will give you how to use YouTube AI feature for better learning. So we are done with this. Now you can see it for every chapter. There are 2 type of playlist. One is podcast, here you can see, and other one is the normal video playlist. So once you go into any of the playlist, you will see the chapter is divided into subchapters, and with each chapter there is a associated learning resource which is given in the link. So once you see below this 4.1 strategic IT vision, there is a more. Once you click more, then you see there is a Google Drive link. So once you click that, you will be routed to a Google Drive, and here you will find different kind of learning resource. To start with, there is a mind map. This mind maps gives out the structure of that particular subchapter, so that I highly recommend to print this mind map on a legal page, and this will give you a broad overview of that particular subchapter, which will help you to comprehend the material better. Here you can see the download button. You can use this to download the content. Also, there is an infographic with each subchapter which presents the same information in a pictorial form. So anybody having that pictorial memory can make a good use of it. Here again you can see a download button. Through this you can download mind map for complete chapter. Also, there are data tables which are given with each for each subchapter, and here you'll see the complex topics are simplified. They are put in a tabular form so that clarity improves. Any topic which is having a similar content is crystallized into a better understandable format. Again, you can see a download button here, and you can download the table from here. Also, for every subchapter, there is a PPT. PPT is really in an interesting way which you can download and get a detailed understanding of that particular chapter. So these various form of content are designed in a manner that it uses the same script, and nothing new is told in different kind of format. So for every subchapter, there is a mind map for broad overview, video to explain the concept in a simpler, crispy way, audio to give the same content in a interesting way, infographic for those who have visual memory, data table to simplify the confusing matter, and slide to give a detailed information about that particular subchapter. So once we are done with that, then again we'll go to the playlist. And one unique thing about this this structure is that for every chapter there is a revision module given in the this audio podcast at the last, and using this revision module you can revise the complete subchapter within 50 minutes or so. So it doesn't matter that you completed the complete all the chapters in some time, unless you repeat it, you go through it again and again, you will not be able to retain it. So this audio gives you that flexibility to keep on listening to it at specific intervals, especially after 3 days, 7 days, and maybe after a month, or whenever you get a time, and you can just put on your headphone and start listening to this podcast. Also, there is a unique feature about this complete course is the use of AI. This is the buzzword everywhere. We are just listening about AI. So again, this can make your learning very interesting. So if any one of you have used, you can see this Gemini mark here, and once you click this, then you can see 2 options: this summarize the video and recommend related content. Both are really interesting options. First one is this summarize the video, gives you summary of the complete video, nothing else. And once you click this related recommended content, it will give you the most relevant video related to that particular topic. So you can broaden your horizon using this recommended related content. You need not go and search for similar videos of this particular topic. So it is a really useful feature. Also, you can ask questions related to this particular topic. You can see the suggested questions, or you can type your own question in this ask question menu. So I'll highly recommend to use this AI feature of YouTube for a very comprehensive learning. Get it, you can kill it. And sounds simple, right? But to make also, I just want to tell you that the biggest advantage is that same content is being repeated in different formats, so that this material get embedded in your mind. If you find any good video related to the topic, you can put the link of that video in the comment and help your fellow learners. Please consider subscribing and sharing this channel. Thank you.